Hi guys, I'm back again with a new video. So in today's video, I want to share with you my thoughts about this moisturizer from Hada Labo. This is the Hada Labo Premium Whitening Water Cream. So I got this for around $20 to $30 and one jar of this contains 50 grams of net weight. The ingredients are vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, and arbutin. So the main function for this cream is mostly for brightening and overall some hydration. Anyways, this is how the moisturizer looks like. The moisturizer is light and absorb quickly and not sticky at all. This is how it looks. It's very easy to blend and very light. It feels like using nothing. So it's very comfortable to use for your morning routine, especially if you like to layer a lot of skincare or makeup, then this one can be nice to use in the morning. Usually I like to use brightening products in the morning for the antioxidant purpose. So yeah, usually at night I like to use my retinol, so I try not to mix a lot of things at night. So usually brightening is in the morning. Anyway, I really like the moisturizer because it's easy to blend and it doesn't contain alcohol, color, or mineral oil. So this one is okay for sensitive skin too, which I think is quite useful. So yeah, I think that's it for today. I hope the review today is useful. I'll see you guys again in my next post. Bye bye.